Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can update an app on your Roku TV. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, all you need to do is simply navigate to the app you want to update. Press the start key on your Roku remote and then select check for updates. Once you do this, you can find the update button right over there if there is any update available for that particular app. If not, then you cannot find that update option. However, Roku devices typically check for updates automatically. But if you want to check updates manually, you can simply follow these steps. In general, Roku devices are designed to check for software and app updates automatically, usually during downtime like overnight. However, if you have not set up this function or if you were not aware about this function, I guess this video has helped you know about it more. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more interesting videos. Thank you for watching.